Hello, fellow creators. Welcome to AppMoney. I'm your buddy Iman. Today, I will review the Textfocus Lifetime Deal. What is Textfocus? Textfocus is the ultimate SEO optimization tool designed to analyze your page's HTML code and text, ensuring that it's optimized for search engines and attracting the right traffic. It is best for bloggers, website owners, content creators, copywriters, and marketing agencies, as well as an affordable alternative to SEMrush, Ahref, Ubersuggest, and more. With Textfocus, you can check and analyze the HTML codes to identify relevant content and keyword presence. Check if your page follows good SEO practices or has risks of over-optimization penalties. Enhance your page's performance. Check the real-time analysis of your direct competitors. Discover common keywords among your competitors. Get new ideas and interesting terms to enrich your content. Offers keyword search functionality, answering questions, and more exciting features are coming soon. And finally, skyrocket your SEO rankings, so it seems like it would be an effective SEO optimization tool. In this review, I'll cover everything you need to know about this software and whether it's still worth picking. Before jumping into the video, do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel, AbbMoney, for more SaaS lifetime deals. Timestamps are also included in the description for easy access to the sections. So let's get started. Textfocus Lifetime Deal Plans and Pricing. It offers 10 plans to purchase from the Appsumo marketplace. License Tier 1 costs $89 and offers unlimited link analysis, keyword audit, volume calculation, question searches, 100 competitor analyses, semantic suggestions, 750 credits per month, and all the other basic features. License Tier 2 costs $178 and offers all features in the license tier, but 1,500 credits per month. Go for license tier 3 at $267 to get access to 2,250 credits per month with other premium features. Lastly, if you want more credit, like 7,500 credits per month, then grab the plan 10 at $890. Next, you can see Textfocus has got tons of positive reviews from verified customers. Textfocus offers affordable lifetime plans for both individuals and agencies. So, go and grab your seat now. The bonus link is in the video description. Now let's see how to use the Textfocus SEO tool step by step. Features and benefits. Upon logging in, you will see this interface where you will get a tool for SEO analysis and semantics. We will check this tool soon. On the top menu, we have more SEO analysis tools, keyword tools, and more. Next, we can see our remaining credits, FAQ section, and our account details. Now first, let's check the Page SEO Analysis tool. In less than a minute, it will help to find out which keywords are optimized for your page and which phrases you can use to make it more relevant. Here, enter the URL of the page to be analyzed, enter the keyword or page type, and click on the Analyze the Page button. I'm entering my homepage URL. You can use your blog post link too. Not only that, you can analyze multiple URLs at once by loading a CSV file. Here is the result summary. We can see all the keywords that our website is optimized for. The good news is, our targeted keyword, virtual reality, is among the important keywords on the page. Next, we can see the SEO analysis of the page, with an SEO ranging from 0 to 100%. This tool provides a quick analysis of a page's SEO criteria. We will have the technical and editorial on-page criteria, technical performance, and semantic coverage that are treated separately. We have to fix the red color issue soon to make our website more SEO-friendly and rank higher on Google. Next, we have a list of page title hierarchies. Here you can check if your page plan is coherent with your subject, the titles are clear, and your target keywords and variants are included. Your target keyword will be bolded in each page title, so you can quickly check their performance. Next, we can see the semantic analysis with semantic score for our targeted keyword, virtual reality. Here is the list of keywords that are used on the page. Green bullet point means used correctly, red bullet means overused or absent. These suggestions are calculated based on competitive analysis and TF-IDF, Okapi BM25 calculation algorithms. You can remove from this table any terms that are not interesting to you or that you feel are miscalculations. Next, we can see the main optimized lexical fields of the page, relevant main keywords that are present in the tags, analysis of the entities found on the page, most used words at the beginning of a sentence, social tags, outgoing links from the analyzed page, analysis of image alt tags, page performance on mobile, analysis of competitors positioned on the same niche, plain text of the page, and more. AI Content Writer. Here you can write SEO-optimized page or article content using the AI content writing tool. It will consume 5 credits. Enter the target keyword, select the language, mention the target word count, and click on Start Writing. Okay, we got the result. The Textfocus platform analyzes your competition to determine the ideal word count for your content, as well as the vocabulary, related keywords, questions, and more to use in your article. As you write, it calculates your page's SEO score and semantic score to guide you step by step. Currently, they don't offer AI automated copywriting, so you have to wait to get this feature. Semantic Search Tool. This feature will help you find the relevant semantic vocabulary to improve the SEO of your content. Simply enter your target keyword, select the language, and click on Semantic Search. Here is the list of the right words to use in your content. These suggestions are computed based on competitive analysis and text mining algorithms, BM25. You can download the words in an Excel file, copy them, or download them as a PDF file. Any words that are not relevant or interesting can be deleted from the table. Keyword Audit. The tool will generate a keyword audit for you, based on your starting terms according to the desired language. It will consume 1 credit per audit. Select the language, choose the minimum monthly search volume, list the keyword, max 50, insert forbidden keywords to filter the results, and click on Find Keywords. Adding prohibited keywords does not consume credit. Here is the list of keywords. We have monthly search volume, CPC, keyword difficulty, and keyword intention, and check the keyword on Google in real time. Keyword Search Volume Calculator. The tool will show the Google search volume of your targeted keywords. It will consume 1 credit for all new keyword research. Enter the keywords, max 50, give your audit a name, select the language, and click Find the Volumes. It will serve you a table of data containing monthly search volume for every keyword, cost per click, keyword difficulty, and more. You can also download the data in Excel or PDF format. Questions Finder Tool. You can use this tool to discover questions about a topic using real-time search engines and competitive analysis algorithms. It is often a good idea to start with these questions when creating content to improve your SEO. Simply enter your keyword and click on Search for Questions. Upon analyzing, it will produce a list of frequently asked questions in interrogative formats such as how, what, when, can, etc. For every question, we can also see the monthly search volume. Click on the questions to see their real-time Google data. Keyword Suggestions Generator. This tool will analyze the Google search results to automatically find other keyword ideas. It will cost 1 credit for all new keyword searches per search. Here is the list of all the related keyword ideas with monthly search volume, CPC, difficulty, and more. Below is the list of all websites that have covered your targeted and related keywords. Alphabetical Generator. Alphabetic Generator helps to find a maximum number of keywords by the Ubersuggest method plus each letter of the alphabet. By imitating the autocomplete feature of Ubersuggest, it generates an audit of keywords including this word and all the possible variants, which are sorted alphabetically and by search volume, based on the keyword. It will cost 10 credits per new, unregistered keyword. Free plans only show limited results, while paid plans show unlimited results. Pros and cons. Pros: offers tons of SEO tools. Offers keyword research and content optimization features. Store all your generated content in the History tab. Offers affordable lifetime deal with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons: doesn't offer a team collaboration and an integration feature. Conclusion: if you are a blogger, website owner, or marketer who wants to analyze your page's HTML code and text, generate proper SEO-friendly content with the right keyword research, ensuring that it's optimized for search engines and attract the right traffic, then you can opt for the Textfocus SEO analysis tool. Now Textfocus is offering a lifetime deal with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So go and grab it soon. The link is in the description to check it out. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe to AppMoney to get more SaaS lifetime deal updates.